the switch described is not defective. The second position, described as midway, might be misinterpreted as a split switch. A split switch is commonly used for controlling ceiling fans, where one position powers the fan motor and another controls the light. However, based on the description, the switch does not return to the center position. Therefore, it likely doesn't have a true split switch function. The internal light feature is often called a night light. This is achieved using a small neon lamp and a resistor connected in parallel with the switch. This configuration allows the lamp to remain lit when the switch is in the off position, providing a subtle illumination. The current flow through the neon lamp and resistor is intentionally limited, so it's insufficient to activate any connected loads. If the goal is to disable the night light feature, it involves a simple modification inside the switch. Disconnect the wire leading to the neon lamp. To ensure safety, after disconnecting the wire, use electrical tape to insulate the exposed ends. This prevents any accidental shorts or contact with other components. It's important to note that electrical work can be dangerous. If there are any uncertainties or discomfort with performing this task, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can safely and effectively disable the night light feature or address any other electrical concerns.